Hello! We find ourselves at the shimmering entrance of Lumina Forest, where brilliant beams of sunlight, tinged with gold and rose, pierce through the canopy of ancient trees. The forest floor is a tapestry of vibrant hues, with sapphire bluebells, ruby red poppies, and emerald green ferns intertwined. Towering trees, their bark adorned with luminous moss and amethyst-colored vines, stand like gentle giants. In the foreground, a tiny, fluffy white kitten with striking sapphire blue eyes gazes in wonder. Her pristine fur catches the sunlight, creating a soft halo around her. Her small tail twitches with anticipation. This is Snowdrop, our adventurous protagonist. Snowdrop delicately treads through a meadow overflowing with kaleidoscopic blossoms. Flowers taller than herself sway gently in the breeze. Giant sunflowers with golden faces, delicate lavender sprigs, and whimsical polka-dotted toadstools bloom in abundance. Dewdrops clinging to the petals sparkle like tiny diamonds. Snowdrop playfully bats at a vibrant orange butterfly with wings like stained glass, her blue eyes wide with amusement. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of 1,000 blooming flowers and the gentle hum of busy bumblebees. Curiosity twinkles in Snowdrop's sapphire eyes as she approaches an ancient, gnarled tree with a hollow at its base. Faint, enchanting melodies drift from within. Hesitantly, she peeks inside. The interior is softly lit by glowing crystals embedded in the walls, casting dancing shadows. Delicate wind chimes made of polished seashells hang from the ceiling, creating the ethereal music that drew her in. Emerging from the enchanted hollow, Snowdrop finds herself in a grove where luminous mushrooms of all shapes and sizes illuminate the twilight beneath the trees. Some glow with a soft blue light, others with a warm orange hue, creating a magical, otherworldly ambience. Tiny, glowing fireflies flit between the mushroom caps, leaving trails of sparkling dust. Snowdrop watches them, mesmerized, her white fur absorbing the colorful glow. Like all insects, a bee's body is divided into 3 parts: a head with 2 antennae, a thorax with 6 legs, and an abdomen. All bees have branched hairs somewhere on their bodies and 2 pairs of wings. Only female bees have stingers. Many bee species have black and yellow coloration, but many do not. They actually come in a variety of colors, including green, blue, red, or black. Some are striped, and some even have a metallic sheen. They range in size from large carpenter bees and bumblebees to the tiny Perdita minima bee, which is less than 2 millimeters long. There are over 20,000 bee species worldwide, including the honeybee, which originated in Eurasia and has been imported around the globe as a domesticated species. Wild bee species live on every continent except Antarctica. In North America, there are approximately 4,000 native bee species occupying ecosystems from forests to deserts to grasslands. Bees feed exclusively on sugary nectar and protein-rich pollen from flowering plants, unlike the carnivorous wasps from which they evolved. As a forage, bees perform the critical act of pollination. As a bee enters a flower to feed on nectar and gather pollen, some of the pollen sticks to the bee's body. When the bee flies on, it deposits some of that pollen on the next flower it visits, resulting in fertilization, allowing the plant to reproduce and to generate the fruits and seeds so many other wildlife species rely on as a food source. Butterflies have 6 jointed legs, a pair of antennae and 3 body parts called a head, thorax, chest, and abdomen, tail end. The 4 wings and the 6 legs of a butterfly are attached to its thorax. Special sensors on a butterfly or moth's feet allow the insect to taste their food. Butterflies cannot taste through their mouth parts. They also do not have mouth parts that can bite and chew. Instead, they have a long, thin tubular structure that acts like a straw. Fireflies talk to each other with light. Fireflies emit light mostly to attract mates, although they also communicate for other reasons as well, such as to defend territory and warn predators away. In some firefly species, only one sex lights up. In most, however, both sexes glow. Often the male will fly, while females will wait in trees, shrubs, and grasses to spot an attractive male. If she finds one, she'll signal it with a flash of her own. So, I have learned much for today and I am so tired. My adventure will go on in this magic forest. I'll have more and more knowledge about animals. Please join me, don't leave me alone. See you in the next trip.